Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a little something different. I've been wanting to try one of the food delivery services where the food is already cooked. I've already tried Green Chef in the past. If you've been following me, you know that. But I wanted to try Factor and CookUnity, and I'm starting with CookUnity first for a month to see how I like it. So let me show you the box it comes in, the first meal I'm eating, and let me do like a taste test for you. So this is the box it comes in. It's like more of like a bag, but like I don't know if they're gonna give this every time. Like I don't know what I'm gonna do with so many bags. Oh, please return this bag with your future deliveries. Okay, that's cool. So I got 12 meals. It will last me through the week. And I just ordered them based on when they'll expire. So these 3 gotta eat first, then there's these 4, and then these 4. So they'll last me through Saturday, which is great. So this is the meal, late dinner I'm eating today. It's dill marinated salmon with vegetables. And then they have chef instructions and fast instructions. Fast instructions are like microwave. Chef instructions are like oven. I'm probably gonna go with the fast one today just because it is like 8 o'clock and I'm too lazy. Food safe, food quality and safety. I don't like the idea of warming my food in plastic, so I'm gonna replate this and then warm it in the microwave. Something I noticed about this is it's not plastic, it's like paper, and then it looks like it has like a coating. I don't know what the coating's made out of, but it's good that it's not plastic. It's like, you know, paper. But anyways, let me keep plating my food. I just thought I should let you know. The salmon first. Okay. Huh. It's not revolutionary, but it's well seasoned. I think there's carrots and beets and purple onions. That's good. And broccoli. You know, but the best part about this, I didn't have to cook it. I need to warm it up a little bit more, but this is good. See you guys in the next one. Hey guys, so I'm back again with another CookUnity meal. This is the meal today. It is a chili lime, oh my gosh, I cannot read. Chili lime grilled chicken with cilantro and rice. So it looks very delicious. I don't know when I'm gonna do these chef instructions of like putting it in the oven. So I'm actually gonna do the fast instructions, which is peel to vent and microwave for 2 minutes and then put the lime on top. I might have some food in my teeth, but the food was good. Definitely, I think better than last night's food and seasoned well, not too salty. So I appreciate that. So far, I'm liking this. I'm liking the variety. I like that they let me pick 12 different meals. Instead of when you do the cooking ones where they give you the ingredients and the recipes, you have to do like a couple of the same ones, like 3 or 4 of the same meals, which obviously makes sense because they're ingredients. So this is actually really fun that I can literally have a different meal for lunch and dinner. That's really, really cool. So I'm very into it right now. So far, so good. Hi y'all, so I am now on week 2 of CookUnity. My camera is also on 12%, so I clearly was not ready for this update. For week 1, I ordered 12 meals. That's the plan I'm on. And out of the 12 meals, I will say there is about 3 to 4 that I would definitely order again. I only say this because I feel like CookUnity has like over 300 recipes you can choose from. So it's like, if I didn't love it, there's no reason to, you know, keep ordering it. I'll just find my favorites. I'll stick to those. And then when they put in new ones, I'll add those in, see what I think. Now we're on week 2. And we're starting off with Martin's Ecuador chicken. Here it is. I'm very excited. I have a lot of Caribbean, Hispanic inspired ones this week. I still feel good about it. I think I'll still continue the service. Something that I did tell my husband is I might lower down to 10 meals instead of 12 because I like having flexibility on the weekend to do what I please. Also, I need to start watching the calories and like the sodium and everything. So after the first month where I'm just having fun exploring, not trying a recipe more than once, I'm gonna go back and really be mindful about the meals that I put in. So I think I'll do 5 meals that are very much in line with my dietary stuff, and then other 5 that are just what I want. I think that's how I'll balance it. Hi guys, so I am back. I actually was supposed to film week 3 and like I kind of fell off because, well, I didn't really fall off because week 3 started yesterday. I ate my first meal yesterday, which was like a barbecue pulled pork and corn salad. And that was good. The corn salad was great, but the pulled pork, it was just too much sauce, I think. It was too sweet, like, so I don't know if I'll order that again unless I leave a review and they kind of update it. It was really good though. But now we're gonna eat lunch, so. You know, I didn't record all of these for you guys because it's like, I'm just warming up food and eating it. But I have been documenting which food I liked because I need to know for when I order, because I think I'm gonna keep doing this like meal delivery because it's good. Like I told you guys before, I rank these based on expiration date, and then I also try to eat the seafood first because that seafood, usually you shouldn't keep it that long. Okay, so this is the Cochina Pibil Taco Bowl, or butter Hawaiian garlic shrimp. Well, I should have really looked at this when I ordered it because I really don't like warm pineapple. What else do we have? There's garlic. Oh, I don't want this either. This is garlic shrimp noodles. So yeah, we're gonna do the butter Hawaiian garlic shrimp by Esther Choi. Sorry guys, I just had to try it just to see if it was hot enough. And where is the seasoning? Where is the salt? It's fine if it's not in the rice, but the shrimp doesn't even. Oh girl, I would not be having this again. I'm gonna add some salt, but. Hi guys. So I'm about to do this outro pretty informally. I finished my first month of CookUnity. My overall thoughts are I will continue to purchase CookUnity. It's very good for someone like me that I just don't find joy in cooking anymore like I did in college. I found it therapeutic. Now I find it a hassle. I find it a hassle having to think about every week what to cook, and also like, you know, going grocery shopping, everything like that, and actually cooking. It takes like a lot of effort, and I'm just not, I just don't want to do it at this season in my life. Also, I started living with like my mom and my brother and my husband, and it's like, it's a little tricky navigating like who's gonna cook, food situation. Are we sharing food? Are we not sharing food? Like it's just too much to think about in addition to the other things, aspects in my life. So I will continue to use CookUnity. Now, I won't say that I give CookUnity a 5-star review because I did not enjoy all of the dishes that I received. So let's talk about the pros. It's so convenient. They drop it off at my door. I pack it up in the fridge and I kind of reorganize it based on expiration dates. And so I know to eat the ones that expire quicker first. It's the convenience of it, really. I like that they have all the nutritional facts, and then a lot of the meals are in my food tracking app that's really has really helped me like with my weight loss and stuff like that, and regulating my hormones and etc. So that's nice. Yeah, those are the pros. I've had some really good dishes. What I did on their website is I hearted the dishes, so I know for later, like, okay, we're getting that one later. So my favorites were, oh, I didn't know I could avoid. This is actually good because before I didn't know I could avoid dishes. My favorite dishes were the Thai red beef curry. It could have used a little bit more seasoning, but it was really good. Chili lime grilled chicken with cilantro rice and corn zucchini warm salad. I really love any sort of like, I think more geared to like Mexican food kind of dishes. The rosemary flank steak with roasted broccoli and thyme potatoes, that was really good. Backyard barbecue chicken bowl with quinoa and lemon garlic broccoli. Pesto chicken bowl with farro and quinoa. Domino arepa sandwich with maduros. Ama's chicken thigh with spinach dal and rice. Peruvian chicken fried rice. Arroz chaufa with ají Amarillo sauce, award-winning braised short rib with Haitian vegetable stew and black beans and rice, grilled chicken yassa with sweet plantain and jollof rice, chicken ropa viega with arroz moro and roasted sweet plantains, sweet corn and chorizo cachapas with black beans and fresh mozzarella. So I enjoyed quite a few items, and also I think something else that's a positive is that I can try such a large variety of cuisines from around the world, because I've never, like, I've had African food. I think it was Nigerian. I've had Nigerian food before, but like not like that. And I've had Ethiopian food as well. So it was it just helps me try different foods. And then I will say there are a few meals I did not like at all. So some of from my first order, a lot of the salmon dishes weren't my favorite thing. And it's just everything overall. So the dill marinated salmon was dry, but the keto chia crust salmon, the salmon was great, but everything else was meh in that dish. Oh, no, it's the paprika salmon. That was great, but everything else was meh in that dish. The Southern style pork adobo is so good. I had it twice by accident because my goal, I think I mentioned in the beginning, was to try different meals every time until I basically almost tried everything I'm interested in. And then I'll go and retry and order my favorites in addition to any new things that they release. But I tried the Southern style adobo twice and it was dry every time, and it's a shame because the flavors on that were so good. There was one chicken dish, I think it's al pastor chicken bowl or something, or no, roasted chicken over quinoa, black beans, corn salad. That chicken tastes like rubber. Like, I could not eat it. However, the quinoa, black bean, corn salad was great. So I just ate that. So like, not everything is a win, you know. The Caribbean chicken stew, I think they mixed up, which was so sad because I'm Jamaican. It was so sad because I'm like, I think they mixed up the salt and the sugar because it was so sweet. The barramundi with salsa verde, I paid extra for that because I think I paid extra for that because I like barramundi, but like, that was not it, and I was very sad. Martin's Ecuadorian chicken, it was okay. It was salty. It's a little sour, so I don't know if that's the flavor profile of that sort of cuisine or like that meal specifically. So the barbecue pulled pork with esquites corn salad or whatever, that was really good, but they need to lower the barbecue sauce. It was too much, too overpowering, and that was disappointing. So I never really commented on, like, reviewed anything, but I had to review that one because I was like, please lower it, please. So yeah, there was some wins, some misses, and some just okay items. So I would recommend like CookUnity. I enjoyed it thus far. I haven't had any issues with like spoiled food, or it's not being delivered on time, or getting sick, or anything like that. I think right now, at first I just ordered whatever I felt like ordering and like whatever tastes good to me. But now I'm going to be very conscious about the calories and like the nutrition of the food, because I will say there's a lot of meals that the sodium is way too high and the calories are really high. So I'm gonna just pay a little bit more attention to that and kind of balance it out so it's like half. You know, one meal can be the higher calorie and the other meal, just because I am still working on probably losing like 20 more pounds. So just to, you know, go along with what I'm trying to achieve, you know. Also, I wish they had more options where it was like no carbs, like just cook the meal with extra protein. Probably it's more expensive, but extra protein, extra vegetables, and like no carbs. That'd be very helpful, because sometimes the meals are really carb heavy, like lots of pasta. Like there's a meal with a couple pieces of chicken and just pasta, or like a lot of rice, and it's just too much. They offer plans of 4, 6, 8, 12, 16. I'm mad that they skipped 10 because that's like the sweet spot in my opinion. Because 8 is only, for me, I eat these lunch and dinner. So 8 is only 4 like business days or like work days. And then 12 goes into the weekend. So that's like 6 weekdays, but I want it for 5 days, so it's just a work week, and then I can like have fun on the weekend. So I can see this like when I start like settling more into New Jersey life and being more active and social, I can see that 12 being too much because I don't want to waste it. And they kind of like expire like the they said you should eat before like by Saturday of that week because I get them on Sundays. So I think I could see myself just doing the 8, which kind of sucks. So I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out what to do. I hope that they bring in a 10 option. I might like write a review or something for that. But yes, that's all. I really enjoyed it. I'm going to keep doing it. Let me know if you want a update in like 6 months or a year or whatever the case is. I do think the price is very nice. I think it's very comparable to like HelloFresh and stuff. So yeah, let me know if there's anything else I didn't cover that you want to know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I know this is outside of what you might be like not accustomed to, like the type of videos I make. But this is, you know, kind of videos I made in the past. So I want to get back to throwing a few of these style of videos into the mix. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, bye.